I wish it was snow already, but I gotta settle for this damn rain. Oh well, right? Yo, what's good, people? Thank you for tuning in. Just want to let you guys know what I've done so far with the Sportsman since I picked it up about 7 months ago, I want to say, give or take. I haven't done much, but I've made it rideable because when I bought it, it was a mess. First thing that I did, I replaced the winch in the front. It had a Traveler winch, 2500, but it had no cable, and I was just like, just for a peace of mind, let me get a brand new one. So I went down to my local Harbor Freight. Thankfully, they had this one on sale. Another thing that I did was change the master cylinder. The other one was junk. It wasn't working at all. So I bought this off of eBay. I bought a new wire harness for the machine because the previous one, a bunch of wires were spliced, cut. I wasn't trying to deal with that, so I went on eBay. I bought a used one that was in perfect conditions and everything works as it should. I've got no complaints there. I fixed the 4x4 on that side. The magnet coil on the Hillard clutch, the wires that come out of it were broken off completely, so I had no 4x4 on that side. It was working, and it still is working on this side, and obviously both the rears are working just fine. The magnet coil that I replaced for the 4x4 in the front, I thought I was buying it for the 2002 Sportsman 500. However, after making the purchase, turns out it was for a 94 Sportsman 400. It works just fine. I tested it out a few days ago. If you guys haven't checked that out, please go ahead and do so. For it being a heavy ATV, I think it's like 700 or 800 pounds, she handles, and I like the independent suspension on it. It's like driving a Cadillac. What else have I done? Oh yeah, I replaced the rear control arm bushings. I also replaced the sway bar bushings in the back. So all that's good to go. I changed the oil and the oil filter. I added some hub fluid in the front. I replaced the low gear linkage. Only had high and reverse. Now I have low range. And man, I tell you, she crawls like a cat. I was climbing up some pretty steep inclines with a lot of big rocks, and it was wet, muddy, and she was tracking. I enjoy this more than this when it comes to just nice slow trail riding, but obviously if I want to go fast, I'll take the 400 EX all day. I don't think I'm going to change the tires just yet. They seem pretty good. They have a lot of meat left on them, as you can see. I do want to change out the hand grips. The ATV did come with these LED headlights that illuminates. So hitting the switch, and you can see they're pretty damn bright. Put the switch in just the right spot. I have both the top and bottom running at the same time. High beam, low beam. Should be the other way around, right? But that's how it's wired. What have I done to the 01 400 EX? I replaced all 4 tires. I do notice with these tires, if I'm trying to slide the rear, do a little bit of a, taking a corner, I'm trying to drift it a little bit. I notice that they have a lot of grip, and it's a little hard to do that in the mud, in the rocks, sand, anything slippery. They hold up. I also replaced the entire harness. It's all custom made. Got the key with the neutral switch light. Got the 10-inch LED light bar in the front, and this light is pretty damn bright. I replaced the exhaust. This is from Lex MXE. Definitely like how it sounds. It has a nice rumble to it. Just figured I'd give you guys a quick update on both the quads. I'm trying to keep busy, trying to make more videos, hopefully do some collabs. Give your boy a thumbs up, subscribe if you want. Not forcing you, but it'll be nice. Help the channel out. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.